Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Hey Meta not responding on your Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer. So first, what you guys want to do is simply make sure that you have your glasses on you. So this is very important because we want to make sure that there's Bluetooth connection. So now I'm gonna wear them and I hear the sound. You guys can see that everything disappears from here. And now what we want to do is we simply want to go to the settings of our Ray-Bans, and here we want to simply scroll down until we see voice. Here we want to make sure that voice control is enabled, and here in the Hey Meta preferences we have everything enabled. So for example, we can say this or that to start a voice command. And for example, let me quickly let's see what chats I have. So here I have what's the weather today, so let me just delete it and let me try it again. So Hey Meta, and it does not react. So how do we fix this? It's very important. We want to first repair the Bluetooth, and now after we repair the Bluetooth, we want to go over and first let's click on the gear icon, click on the general, click on pair glasses, on pair, and now we need to do the same from our device. So here I'm gonna search for settings, and in the settings we need to go to Bluetooth. Now delete the Ray-Bans, and once it's done we can go back, click done, and as you guys can see there's nothing. So we need to put them back into the case, and once we put them back, we want to press this button at the back to enter pairing mode again. Now we want to make sure that it is blinking blue. Now we can click on plus and choose the first ones. Click blue LED. We didn't even have a chance to press blue LED turned on because it already tried to pair it. So as you guys can see, it is pairing it again. And what are we going to do next is we're simply going to check the wake word setting. So here I'm going to skip everything except for voice control, and of course it requires me to put my glasses on. So I'm going to skip the tutorial. Now we're going to go hands-free, click enable voice controls, store voice recordings, and here we can skip the rest. So let's click do it later, and here we have voice settings. We're going to click setup. Here make sure that your language is set to English, United States, or any other language that you speak. Here we can also select a voice, doesn't matter which one, and here you can save it. We can finish the setup, and now we can go click settings, go to voice, and make sure that in the Hey Meta preferences we have the wake sound enabled. So now after that, what we can do is we can simply, if it's still not working, we can clear the data from the app, or we can reinstall it completely, and also make sure that your mics are unblocked. So let's try it again. As you guys can see, there is nothing. Now we're gonna ask about the weather. So like one of the easiest questions, Hey Meta, what's the weather today? And now we should soon see it in the chat. Sometimes it might be a bit late and it's pretty normal, but for now we know that it works. I mean, if it's not working for you, then you have to reinstall the app. This is one of the best options out there. So you just select on the app, click remove app, and click delete app. After that you will just do everything. And here we have our what's the weather today question. It's already here, and that's how you guys can easily fix it. So it did not work for the first time, it did work for the second. We just had to repair it and check the wake word setting. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.